Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your ARLO Pro 5 security camera. There are two ways to factory reset your device. The first is in the app. Go into Devices, go into the camera, then tap on the settings icon, tap on the camera again, and then tap on Remove Device, confirm it, and now the device will be disconnected. Then you can add the device back in, choose Cameras, Pro Series, 5S, connect to a 2.5 GHz network, and make sure it's not a 5G network, otherwise it's not going to work. Then continue, put in the password, and then continue. Of course, you can follow the instructions in case you are lost, or if the LED is flashing, then you can continue on. Continue. Make sure the camera can see the QR code. Once you hear the chime, you can click continue, and then it's going to search for the camera, which may take a bit. Then it's going to ask you to name your camera. Let's call it camera 1, and continue on. It's going to check for updates. If there are any, it's going to take a bit to install them. It's going to check for updates. Then continue through. It shows the preview. I skipped it over quickly as to not give it time to, well, cause a feedback loop, because it's not really nice to hear, I would say. And that's it for this method. The second method, you're going to have to pop the camera out of its housing. So press this button in until you hear it pop out and you see it pop out, then use your fingers to pull it out. Once you do, you want to find the sync button on the bottom and then press and hold it until you see the red LED flash 3 times. Just hold it, roughly 15 seconds should be enough. And now the device has been disconnected, and you can add it back in the same way as before. Then just continue through the same as before. It's going to search for it again. Then again, name your camera. And it's going to again check for updates just as before. It's the same process really. Just continue. If you want to, you can add a 5G network. It's going to show up here. You can set it up. Continue. Input the password again. Once you do, it's going to connect it again. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.